Going to lead management, we're gonna review properties, workflows, deals, lists, tasks, and queues. They are all tied together, and you will see the functionality of having them on your system. Starting with properties, there are some properties that are already set by HubSpot and many that you can create yourself. You have different types of properties. I'm going to show you what are the different types. So we have company, contact, deal, product, or ticket properties. This means that you can have information on these different topics for each one of them, depending on your business and how you want to manage them and be able to work with your CRM. Now going into the workflows. Workflows is a great part of HubSpot that will help you automate a lot of your efforts so that everybody in your team will be more up to the tasks that they need to have, or what is the information they need to do to continue and keep up with the work. For an instance here, we have a workflow that it will start if someone has a tag, and then you can see that there are so many options that you can use on a workflow. I'm gonna show you what are those options. On my right column, you can see what types of options you can select and actions. In the workflow for internal communication, also you can have external communication as sending emails or Slack someone if you attach the app to your system. Assign, create tasks, deals, tickets. You can also have list management, advertising management, and property management for contacts, companies, deals, products, or tickets. And also type some of the applications that you can join with HubSpot. Moving to deals. This is a great functionality from HubSpot where you can view all your deals on your different deal stages. The cool part is that you can also select what deal stages you want and what are the steps you want to follow depending on your business, on how you do things. And it will have a lot of information on each of the deals that you have created. Let's go to the first deal that we have here. And you can see the information that you can review. You can see what's the stage, what's the pipeline, all the information about the deal, what contacts are related to the deal, what is the company, if you have tickets that you have added to the deal, what are the products you're offering to your customers, the quotes you have sent them, and the attachment of assets or things that you want to share with your prospect clients. Continuing to the lists, and as I mentioned before, they are all tied together, and it's a cool way of managing and be able to work harder and faster using the CRM. By lists, there are two types of lists that you can work with. I'm going to show you one that is an active list. An active list means that whatever filters you set to populate the list, they will gather information as you move on the days. So if someone meets the criteria of this list in particular, it will be added automatically. And then you can also have static lists. Well, you can select the customers you want to reach or create a task or follow up with them separately and without having any changes on that list. And as I mentioned, everything that it's attached to each other, you can create tasks and queue them from a list. So let's go and have a small test. Going to our team list, we can create a task and we can start a queue from here and follow one by one and keep up with work and be very fast at it. So we're gonna start a queue. It will show like this on your contact page. It will show you the name of the contact, the title of the task. If you wanna reschedule the task because you are needed to send something else to the customer or you were waiting on him on a reply, so you can handle that from here or skip it as you need. After you've completed task, you can click that you have completed and it will send you to the next queue.